So this is the new wheels that I bought. And so I've gone and I've scored some of the puff pastry. Now, just so you know, I cook a lot. I don't have time to make pastry, so I buy it. And the ones I buy are President's Choice, and they make really great pastry. They take about an hour or two to thaw, and you can keep them in the fridge after that. So here I have some pastry out, okay? And this is gonna be for the lattice part after, where I scored it with that beautiful tool. And then this here is a stamp I have that I like to use. It's leaves. I have other ones, but they're not really what I want right now because there's, you know, ghosts and Christmas stuff and everything. So now what I'm going to do is unwrap these and place them on the pastry, and then I'll show you what next. Look at this beautiful piece of meat. And you can see that the pastry is far too large for it. So what I'm going to do is cut probably about here. One good way to do that is by using a pizza wheel, one of those. But I happen to have a knife here, so I'm just going to cut it. All right, now next what I'm going to do is wrap it. So I will do that by pulling it up gently off of the parchment paper and then wrap it up, and I'll show you what happens. So I've bunched it up on the, but what I'm going to do now is just kind of make sure that it's all together. I don't want any holes or anything. So that's the nice thing about pastry, is that you can do that. And this is the underside, so it doesn't have to look as beautiful as anything else. Okay, so I turn it over, and this is the side that's going to show when I'm done. So the next thing I'm going to do is to grab the lattice and then put that on. So hold on. So I cut some of this, and you can see how it pulls apart. It's going to be lattice-like. And now I'm going to put it over one. This is the first time I'm doing this, so I'm going to have to put down the camera, and then I will let you know how it goes. Okay, so I did spread it around, but you can see, you know, it's the first time I'm doing this, so it'll take a little bit of practice, but it'll still look beautiful. And then what I have is an egg, so I'm going to whisk the egg up to beat it a little bit. And then when I put this on the pan here, when I take that off, then what I do is just lightly, you know, take the egg and make sure it's all nice and coated. That really changes the beef Wellington from not only tasting good, but you know, you got to eat with your eyes too, right? So this will be really nice and brown and beautiful. Okay, so I'll get all the rest of them up and running, and then we'll get them ready for the oven. So we learned from our mistakes. I had a hard time with that lattice, so I put it on two of them. So what I'm going to do for these guys is I'm just going to make a little light scoring on it to still give it a little design. I don't know if you can see that very well. Okay, so I'm going to do that. On these guys, I've already brushed them with the egg, but I'm going to add a couple of little decorations too. Okay, so I have them now. There we go. So we have 2 with lattice and 3 that are scored. And then what I'm going to do is take my little leaf, okay, and I push it down hard. It comes up. Okay, push it down. Comes up. 3, 4, and one more. Right over there. 5. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is take those out and then place them over there. Okay, so now I have them, and I'm going to just put it nice. Got one of these. And then I'll brush that, so just put them all on. And put this one on here. So that's a nice little leaf. Another little one. Oh, don't come apart on me. Okay. The nice thing about pastry is that you can manipulate it afterwards. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut a new one of that. And then this one over here. So now I'll cut one more and then I'll come back. And now it's time to just put the egg wash on the new little things. I have my oven set to 400. Oops, get back there. Okay. And you notice that they're on the parchment paper that the pastry comes in. So then that way I can use them in the oven because we don't want to put it right on the baking sheet. So here we go to my gas oven. Doing this one-handed is not really the best thing in the world. So then we can see what they're going to look like, the lattice versus the non-lattice. So now I'm going to check, and I look in, and you see how it's sort of almost see-through, like in that space right there? So you don't want that. So it needs to cook for a few minutes longer. You can see it almost looks wet. Well, it probably is wet. So we're going to let it cook a little bit longer. Okay, so it's been another 8 minutes. So it said 20 minutes. My stove is usually a little slow. I put it 25, but I've had to add the 8 minutes. Now that looks so much better. Nice and cooked. So we're gonna shut that off. And let's take that out. I'm gonna take that out and let it rest. Sorry.